In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello workspace in just 5 minutes. Trello is a powerful tool used by teams and individuals around the world for organizing projects, tasks, and more. Whether you're managing a collaborative team project or just trying to get your personal tasks in order, setting up a workspace in Trello can help you efficiently organize and streamline your work. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Trello's website. You can do this by typing Trello into your web browser's search bar. Once you're on the Trello homepage, you'll be met with their catchy slogan: capture, organize, and tackle your to-dos from anywhere. It's all about keeping you productive and on top of things. Now, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the login button. Click on that to proceed. If you haven't used Trello before, you'll need to set up an account, and don't worry, it's a straightforward process. For returning users, you can simply enter your credentials to continue. Trello uses Atlassian for authentication, so you might see that name pop up as you go along. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Trello homepage, which is essentially a dashboard that gives you an overview of your workspaces, boards, and tasks. Now find your way to the Trello workspace. This section is your command center, and it's where all the magic happens. A workspace in Trello acts like a container where you can keep all your boards organized. Next, you're going to head over to your profile. Your profile icon is usually located at the top right of the screen. Click on the icon and a drop-down menu will appear. It's here where you'll find the option that says Create Workspace. Clicking this will open a simple form that walks you through setting up a new workspace. When you click Create Workspace, you'll be prompted to fill in a few details. These include the workspace name, as well as an optional description. Think of a name that captures the essence of what you're going to use this space for. This will not only help you keep organized, but will also inform team members what the focus of this space is. That's it. In just a few clicks, you've created a Trello workspace. It's straightforward but incredibly effective in helping you manage projects. You can now start adding boards, inviting team members, and customizing it to suit your needs. As you familiarize yourself with Trello, you'll discover many features and configurations that can enhance your productivity. Happy organizing!